to install XAMPP in Kubuntu 18.04. Start your web browser, go to apachefriends.org/index.html, and then click on Download XAMPP for Linux. Save the file, and when that's done, go to the folder where you downloaded it. Okay, then right-click the file, go to Properties, Permissions, and check Executable, and then OK. Then you want to right-click and select Open a Terminal Here. And in the terminal, you're going to want to type sudo / and the name of the file you downloaded. And then enter your password. And we'll go through the setup process. Click Next, 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 and I'm going to uncheck that and click Finish. So we'll start XAMPP manually with the terminal. So open up a terminal, type sudo /opt/lampp/lamp /start. And if you get these errors, you're going to want to type in sudo apt install net-tools. Okay, we'll try to start it again. It says everything is running, so everything is good to go now. So we'll make sure Apache's running. Start your web browser. Go to http://localhost. If you get the Apache welcome page, then Apache is running. So now we'll check PHP. I'm going to go to localhost/phpMyAdmin. And if you get this page, then PHP is working. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.